Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we have the Beats Fit Pro, and I believe it just came out November 5th this year, and let's go take a look. So we have the case, and it's a hard case. As you can see, it's a hard box. And this is the actual case of the earphone. And it says, tap to pair, keep earbuds in case with the lid open. I'm gonna go check that out later. Alright, so this is the one that you bought. I bought. So according to the Beats by Dr. Dre, this case lasts 6 hours. Let me see if you can focus it. 6 hours listening, 18 hours battery that will last 24 hours. And they said it charged up to, I believe, 5 to 10 minutes. I haven't really tried that yet, so I'm gonna check that out later as I'm using this product. But let's see. There you go. This is the earbuds. And it's a little bit smaller compared to Power Beats Pro. I don't know if you guys have that. I don't. And what we have here is another box. It comes with the USB-C charger. And it comes with extra earplugs. This one doesn't come with the wall charger. I believe you have to buy that on your own, or use the one that you guys have from your other Beats product. I have the Beats speaker, but that one supports USB, the rectangle, not the USB-C. So we have that. We have the stickers. And we have the warranty, the guide. I guess that's pretty much it. Now I have to find a wall charger for this, because I don't have USB-C that supports the wall charger. I think I only have from the one from the iPhone. But yeah, anyways guys, this is it. I mean, if you guys wanna look at it before you buy it, I suggest go ahead and do that. But for me, this is the one that I've been looking for. I was gonna buy the Power Beats Pro, but I don't like the feeling of having something that hangs over my ears. So this one will do. This is how it looks like. This is where you're gonna plug it. And this is the charging. I'm gonna have to go try it. But Yep, this is it. This is how it looks like. You have the case, the earbuds, the charger, and extra earbuds that fits for you. It comes with the Apple Music 3 months free. You're gonna have to scan it. Yep, the guide. Oh, by the way, this is actually good for those people that use iPhone, especially the newer iPhones. I believe they're Apple trying to make Beats Fit Pro or any Beats from the Apple that will be compatible with your iPhone. It's also compatible with your Android phone if you guys have one. But I think they're trying to focus on those iPhone users with this. So go ahead and try that before you purchase one. But since I own an iPhone, this actually will be good for me. But yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a subscribe button and likes and share. And I'll see you guys later for my next video. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Have a good night. Bye-bye.